No, baby, not at all. Here, see the invitation of the virtual celebration of convocation. Kola Saraswati will never fail in its accomplishments. So get set ready to watch it.
Is that so? Hooray to Kola Saraswati!
Shri Krishna, happy day and hearty welcome to every one of you. To begin this auspicious occasion, I invite my Balalaya friends to invoke the Almighty to shower His blessing on each one of us. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna and happy day to everyone present here. Moving from UKG to class 1 is a small step for you elders, but it's giant leap for us. And here is the most awaited. Yes, it's KG Convocation 2021 as a mark of thanksgiving to the Almighty for protecting us from the ills of virus and for gracious consent to celebrate this occasion. We the students of UKG to praise the Omnipotent with a bhajan. Then who will press to sharpen our sharp. Director of Vaishnava Group of Schools, Sri Neelakanta Pillai sir. Thank you.
Win, win, win is frame of mind and heart and she constantly seeks nurture benefits in all human interaction. And I welcome our dynamic principal, Srimati Neena Mehta Madam.
Put first things first, and the rest will fall in line. It's what she practices and preaches. Our enthusiastic Vice Principal, Mrs. Seema Madan Ma'am. We welcome you. Seek first to understand and then to be understood is her motto. Our beloved headmistress, Mrs. Premlata Ma'am, we welcome you. Would like to welcome behalf of KG Balalaya all the proactive teachers and non-teaching staff who are an integral part of the institution. I request for a kind cooperation throughout the program and make it a grand success. Once again, a very warm welcome to one and all present here. Thank you. With immense pleasure, we welcome our dear parents. You synergize and energize us, and thus we cherish your partnership and collaboration in all endeavors. We treasure your love and concern towards our institution. Thank you.
Thank you, friends, for mesmerizing communication. Pandemic, lockdown, shutdown, stand still. We are locked in our homes, not to budge out of the house. Hey, what about our studies? What about our schools? Did it happen? Yes, did it happen? We proved, we backed the pandemic with the logic of virtual reality. Here are the glimpses of events and celebrations for the academic year 2021.
Hi, I would like to say the reminiscence of 2020-21 events of our KG Balalaya. In the month of April, offline session commenced for LKG and UKG. Worksheets were sent to clubbers. In the month of June, our HOD ma'am had meeting with all the KG parents regarding interactive session, room map for classes PKG, LKG and UKG.
Fledged online classes of Macmillan syllabus was conducted from July. We had 3 different batches. In August, the KSV Night Cultural Fest with logo Lethargy to Synergy 2020 was conducted through Zoom meeting, which was grand success. Then was Janmashtami celebration. I am sure you enjoy watching the YouTube. Special virtual puja of Vidyarambam was organized through Zoom, coordinated with parents and children in the presence of our heads. It was so divine to see children writing scripts on the rice grains. In the month of September, our KG teachers proved their talent and skills by winning prizes in the Teachers' Day competition. Mahesh ma'am won the prize for the vegetable jewellery and Apana ma'am won the prize for the conscience quiz. Eve of New Year 2021. January started in the blissful shower. We had Pongal ritual celebration as usual. By the end of February, we completed our academic scholastic activities successfully. We have marched into March for the most awaited Convocation Day. Yay! Convocation Day is our memorable milestone in our KG life. On behalf of my friends, I'm thanking you for your guidance and support. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Jai Shri Krishna, good morning to one and all present here. It is believed that the traditional Hindustani music is conceived by 7 swaras. The greatest sages of Vedic realm are 7. The wonders of the world are 7 in number. Well, the wonderful habits of highly effective people are also 7. As a part of our curriculum, we have introduced LIM, the Leader in Me program, preaching the 7 habits of the effective people, written by the great author and educator, Mr. Stephen R. Covey. Well, here is a person who has mastered the 7 habits, the lead trainer who aspires the young generation with his empowering teaching skills of 7 habits, Mr. Praveen Vyas. He is an experienced life coach, competent in creating highly stimulative learning environment, a facilitator trainer with diversified experience in people's development and training. He mastered optimizing training in multicultural settings and started his career as a marketing executive. His passion to empower human lives drove him to take up training profession. Adding to his efficiency, he is an hypnotherapist and a life coach having 7 years of work experience, training more than 26,000 students, teachers and corporates across the age group of 7 to 85. He is a specialist in neuro-linguistic programming. He specializes in developing content and training students to attain their peak performance and achieve maximum excellence. We are extremely happy and feel proud to have you as the chief guest of the day, sir. We heartily welcome you, sir. Thank you.
about the event. The glimpses on the event rejuvenates our memory. Dear Valentina journey on school in 2020-21. Thank you, ma'am. Convent Chula Vichula function in thought, dancing in light, kettle without handle. So let's stick back and enjoy the scintillating performance of our friends. Thank you.
चोकमा जगमग थाय रे आव्या अम्बे मोती वेराणा चोकमा आव्या अम्बे चोकमा जगमग थाय रे आव्या अम्बे उड़ा लाल गुलाल के आव्या अम्बे चोकमा जगमग थाय रे आव्या
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आसमाना यारबाज हम चालसाज हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
Four walls are no longer classroom. The world has become a classroom. Proudly we say, scholastic, co-scholastic. Everything conducted, virtual and successful. We are Gola. We are the future.
The elders know how to overcome it. But in the case of children, it's a very big question mark. This question was answered and the virtual mode of learning was started by the collaborative efforts of a school management, principal, parents and teachers. Although online education could not replace the classroom education, it was really an effective supplement for the brick and mortar model of education. It was this academic year 2020-21, the school management, teachers, parents and students, everybody came to understand the efforts taken by one another. The school, however, tried to provide education in spite of the doors being closed. The teachers, so-called supporting pillars, took utmost strain in bringing the classroom within the laptops and mobile phones. It is wonderful to have concerned teachers for betterment of our kids. And we'll never forget you, ma'am, your hard work and your love towards our kids.
Myself, Brinda Daga, parent of Neil Daga. Firstly, I thank the management and the principal who have considered the fee structure during such pandemic situation and given the best education resource to our kids. I would really appreciate all the teachers for your valuable time who have planned the online session so effective and interactive for our kids. With new technology, your teachers made it happen that our children could understand the concept so clear. Assessment was conducted and corrected so well. The parents were clear about their kids' performance. Finally, thank you for your support and wishing for your continuous support for our kids.
Good morning to all. I would like to appreciate the entire management of Kola Saraswati Vaishnava Balalaya. They took initiative on online classes during the pandemic time. It is also supported on the portions and guided the kids and parents to complete the entire academic year. Once again, I would like to thank all the teachers who supported us on the pandemic time, and well scheduled timings and adjustable timings also. Once again, I would like to thank all the managements. Thank you.
Hello all, this is Ashita's mother Archana. I am going to tell a few points regarding the online classes. Due to this pandemic, we all have been restrained in our houses and we have no other options than go for virtual classes. Teachers have put their maximum effort to make it a successful one. They have posted many videos and photos and images of the models so that we can teach our kids and our kids will be benefited from it. They also made sure that the interaction between kids and the students have taken place almost in all classes, and they have been under reach, and they under reach if we have making calls regarding any queries, and they are ready to accept it and they will solve it whenever needed. So I would like to say that this online classes have been a successful one. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I'm Kritika and my daughter Diyashri is studying in UKG C section. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers and management for their efforts taken in conducting online classes. Special mention must be made about the Cultural Fest. When lockdown and lifestyle became monotonous, the competitions and preparations for it became a healthy distraction. Efforts taken by all the parents and the children was commendable. This academic year amidst COVID was indeed a memorable one. A very big thank you to our class teacher and all those who supported us during this year. Thank you.
Jai Sri Krishna. I am Nageshwari, DM Raghavamukund's mother. I would like to give feedback about online classes which has started during the last academic year 2021. So usually daily for half an hour we are the kids were having classes. So initially the classes were start with prayer followed by the teaching process. So 20 to 25 minutes the teaching process will be there, and last 5 minutes once again the madam will recollect, and due to the government order again the classes were taken alternatively. But that too, one day is on online mode and the second day is on offline mode, that is video mode. That of course they were conducted so many events like cultural fest, children's day celebration, etc. So the students used to go to school, so like that the same environment that created by the management and of course the school teachers also. So the students were continuously gain the knowledge without any breaks. Through that too for kids, they used to post the videos. The teachers used to post the videos, and they can recollect the videos. And they can learn later on also. So like that, so innovative technology was there for preschools, and of course the online methodology was there for preschools. So for preschool students also, they have created like a classroom environment, and continuous knowledge sharing was there. And without any break. So teaching learning process was excellent, and continuous studies was also excellent. So thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.
Krishna, good morning. It is my pleasure to be a part of the UKG convocation. I feel that every student deserves a great teacher, not by choice but by design, as expressed by John Hatties of the University of Melbourne. True to this statement, all our Brindavan flowers rightly have had the best of teachers and best of the onlining from our school. Even amidst the pandemic, we were the pioneers to commence the interactive sessions for the KG Tiny Tots. Since then, it has not been a stop. All the faculty have been putting their heart and soul to help our pupils have an excellent experiential learning. The parents too have put their best and 100% efforts to make all this possible. Today, when we are celebrating the graduation day, we shower all our blessings and goodwill to the future citizens of India, especially the Brindavan flowers at Barnaby Road. It is during these formative years that a child learns many things. Let us all together as a team help them hone their skills and emerge as bright and enlightened citizens of India. God bless you all. Thank you.
I humbly request our chief guest to address the gathering now.
Namaste everyone, Jai Shri Krishna, respected correspondent sir, principal madam, vice principal madam, headmistress, teachers, parents, and my dear children. It gives me immense pleasure to be here this morning on the occasion of graduation ceremony of the UKG of Kola Saraswati Vaishnav Senior Secondary School. I'd like to congratulate each and every child of UKG for successfully completing and graduating to the next level. And it is not just the students, but also the parents that I'd like to congratulate for the kind of efforts they have put in along with their children. So it's not just growth for children, but also parents in a way. And education, as it's said, that education is not just the amount of information that is put in children's mind, but there's more than that. It's the holistic development that matters. The very essence of education is holistic development of children, and Kola Saraswati's focus on holistic development of children is truly commendable. Through this beautiful, energetic, lively graduation ceremony, you all have proved that whether there is lockdown or the school is functioning offline, Kola Saraswati is unstoppable. Hats off to all the teachers, the parents, students who all together synergize together to make this happen. Congratulations, children, once again. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Shri Krishna, I dare my task my proud privilege to propose the formal oath of thanks. So most of all, I thank our proactive correspondent, Shri K.K. Maheshwari Ji, and our dynamic principal, Srimati Meena Mehta Ma'am, and our enthusiastic vice principal, Srimati Seema Madan Ma'am, and our beloved KGHOD, Srimati Premalata Ma'am, for providing us the great opportunity for enjoying this graduation day. I immensely thank our jubilant teachers, KG Nursery, for making this day colorful, memorable one. I thank our beloved parents for their expressing their love and concern and encouraging us. I also thank our Akas and attenders for supporting and making this grand successful event. Last but not the least, I thanking my friends for maintaining this print and maintaining this event a memorable one. Thank you all. See you regular school.